Hi, Bruce of Safari, and this is a shout out to Phil and Judy Barker of Barker Hume Homes in Alice Springs, a premier builder of home construction kits. And they have a Searay boat, and this is going in their Searay boat. Now let's have a look at something that's a bit unusual. And that is, these are Argo FETs, they're called. They're a FET controlled split diode. And so each alternator, the power will come in out of each alternator and split between power going out to existing circuits and power coming into Scotty. Then we've got Scotty on here. This is our new solar double pole breaker that you've got here, a new mega fuse set down at the bottom that you can see here. And they've elected to have the 4G and GPS on all the time. 3 batteries are going to go in the setup on this boat, and then they're going to be able to run induction, cooking, hot water, all the luxuries. How good's that?